guys, welcome to my channel. Today is a very special day because I am attempting to do something I've never done before. Oh my god, I'm excited to show you guys. Are you guys ready? Today we are going to attempt to build my car. Exhaust on. I have to tie my hair, so let's go do that now. It's hard as wood. Okay. Oh my god. First we have to empty out everything in this car. Oh gosh. See. So this is the exhaust I am going to attempt to install today. Tomei. The box is a little worn out because it's been in storage for a long fucking time, so I just finished unboxing the exhaust. Oh shit. Have a look here. Put this here. Oh shit. That's my workspace. Other workspace. As you can see, I'm fucking sweating already. I didn't even start yet because it's so hot. But the car's been jacked. So, we have a little problem. We don't have a gasket and we're missing 2 holes. So,
We'll get my key.
break.
Ready?
Yeah.
You need a
Oh, you're gonna put the bolts
you
on?
need to bolt it on first on your side.
Okay then.
Because this is gonna Hey, something's wrong with your exhaust here. You put it over the you put it over the latch.
bit sunny. Ah! I'm stuck. Oh, I'm stuck. Okay. Fuck, I'm too fat for this. Okay. All right. Gasket. Let me just show you. Well, maybe I'll show you guys later when I'm done. Look at this. Put this close to me. It's kind of sunny. Can you guys even see what I'm doing? Okay, we're touching this right now. So I'm unscrewing these bolts. Okay, so here's the full exhaust. It's on, ready to go. So as you guys can see, there's no cat. It's just a custom made header, and then we got the mid pipe all the way down to the tip. Kind of sunny because the sun is setting, and so yeah, we're just gonna clean up and then prepare the car to test it. Sound check. So the hardest part, the hangers on. Like, I was like jamming that shit in. At one point I was like, I'm gonna lower the car and then start her up, see how she sounds. Okay. So if you made it this far into the video, give this video a thumbs up because you're awesome. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of me and my 40. Until then, I'm Maria and I'm signing out.